Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael, and in today's video I'm going to show y'all what exactly I'm doing in my portfolio right now and show you what I'm really leaning towards while the market continues to fluctuate so heavily. The volatility in the markets lately has been absolutely insane. So yeah, if you're new here, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or videos. I post 2 new videos every week, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. Also, right now, so that you don't forget, be sure to go down there and smash the like button. It really helps to grow the family and I really appreciate it. And I know you probably already have, but still just wanted to let you know, if you're interested in signing up and getting 2 free stocks valued up to $1,400 just for depositing as little as $1 on Webull, I have a referral link down below in the description, so use it at your own disposal. One last thing before we get into the video, I'm just gonna take my Instagram and I'm going to put it right here. Do with it as you will. But without further ado, let's get into the video. The stock market has been all over the place for the past month. It's been going out of control. Mostly a lot of downward movement, but it's really been jacking up the prices of options. So yeah, I just wanted to take this time to show you what's going on in my portfolio and how I'm handling this. I want you to know this is my first time experiencing anything like this. Never navigated anything like this, but I'm happy to say that I'm capitalizing off it somehow. So without further ado, let's hop in my Robinhood and take a look at what I'm holding and talk about what's going on with it. Okay, so we're here in the handy dandy Robinhood, and as you can see on the day I'm up $357.03. Hey, it's looking nice today. Just want to tell y'all some of the major moves that I've made with my account before we really get into anything. So if we look, you can see that I'm actually using a little bit of margin, a little bit of Robinhood Gold, and I capped it out at $1,000 so that I don't end up using anything more than that. I don't want to use margin and pay interest on it. I don't want to borrow anything more than I have in my savings. So $1,000 borrow money is cool with me because I know if I lose it, I can pay it off like this. Really, it's just more money that I can work with. So yeah, one of the things I did to handle these times, in order to have Robinhood Gold, you need to have a minimum account balance of $2,000. So I also have a deposit of $200 pending. Now we're in the main tab on Robinhood. And before I scroll anymore, a lot of people have been telling me my Robinhood looks a lot different from basically everyone's. I haven't seen anyone's Robinhood who looks like mine. So I would just like to know if any of you watching this right now have a Robinhood account that looks like mine. Can you comment down below? Let me know. Also, if you know why we have it and everyone else doesn't, let me know if you know. But yeah, let's take a look. Okay, so as you can see, I'm holding a few options. Y'all know I trade options, so my goal right now is to have at least around 2 weeks on the option. Most of my options have the target date of May 15th, but if you take a look, I have options going both ways. Apple put, Tesla put, Apple put. So yeah, I have 4 calls and 4 puts. I'm pretty evenly split on if the market goes up or down. I'm making money, and right now, because of all the volatility, the price of these options are crazy. So I'm not going to touch on anything with options for the rest of the video. Right now, with those options, it is a waiting game for me. Now it's time for the bread and butter. Now it's time to see what's really been helping me out in these hard times of the market going down. So as you can see right here, we have stock. And yes, I'm excited to tell y'all I have a real Robinhood portfolio on this channel now. I own stocks, and I don't plan on letting any go anytime soon. Definitely not for the rest of this year. Let's just take a look at what I'm holding and let's see how the movement's gone. Okay, so I have some Tesla. It's just a fractional share. I didn't want to put all the money in. Right now I have about $55 in Tesla. I bought $50 worth of Tesla when it was sitting at $482, and now because Tesla is at $538, I am up 11% on that. So that's beautiful. So just wanted to show y'all that. Doesn't really mean anything, but it's cool. Nike is a stock that I have had on my watch list since before I even knew what options were. I've always liked Nike at the $60 price range. I've just been waiting for it to hit $60 for the longest. It actually did once this week, but I wasn't quite ready to pull the trigger even though I should have. But just yesterday or the day before, I was able to snag a share of this for $65.69, and pretty crazy, I'm already up 20% on it. I'm not trying to talk too heavily about the gains that I've made on these stocks. I just want to quickly show y'all the gains and show y'all what's going through my mind with these. Okay, so you see Nike. Next we have some Apple. I'm up $1.52 on that. Coca-Cola, this is a good dividend stock, and I just want y'all to see that Coca-Cola was trading at $60 earlier this year, and it hasn't been anywhere near this low in the past year. It hasn't really been anywhere near this level since 2015. That's a long time. So I'm sure y'all know about inflation and the value of things going up. Whenever things get back to normal, the value of Coke is going up. Yeah, this is just a good dividend play for me right here. Happy to get in at that. You see I have Boeing. I could have got in much lower, but I started averaging in. You see the first share that I bought was a little under $200. Okay, so I averaged in a little bit further on Boeing. I managed to get 3 shares for an average cost of $147. Really, if you take a look at Boeing, the price on Boeing right now, even with me up $47 on it, it's still only half of the price that it should be. So I'm having fun holding all these stocks, and almost all the stocks I bought pay dividends. So what I'm doing is I just want to buy these stocks and let the value go up. The crazy thing about buying stocks right now, at the prices that you're buying them at, stocks are yielding option-like returns, and this is absolutely beautiful for me. And because of it, I find myself less hands-on with the options. I try to get options with time on them, and when I see them make a major move, I'll cut the cord on them. But right now, it's all about the stocks with me. They're providing option-like returns. So yeah, I'm buying stocks. Let me show you a couple more. Right here is the one I'm probably the most heavily invested in, Royal Caribbean. So this stock was beat down almost 80%, and even right now it's still down 67%. But if you take a look at it, I'm up 41% on this, and I'm holding 11 shares. Tell me that is not an option-like return. I love this because it pays dividends, and I'm going to get a great return. So yeah, holding RCL, got 2 shares of Uber, up $11 overall. Doesn't pay a dividend, but hey, buying stocks. Carnival, I'm up 58%, and I've really only been holding this a couple days. Right now, when it comes to putting my money in the market, I know that I'm going to get an amazing yield back, and it's really just a no-brainer for me. I'm putting my money in here, not in a rush to get it back, but I know I'm going to get a lot more back, so I'm really just comfortable leaving my money here. You see, I got Tapestry, 32% on that, got 8 shares, and right now those are all the stocks I'm holding. Just want to show y'all my Robinhood again. I have a list on my Robinhood, and apparently nobody else has that. So yeah, you saw I had a list on my Robinhood. I really am curious, do any of you have lists? Do any of you have the list feature on your Robinhood? If you do, let me know down below in the comments. I'm truly curious. If you would like to follow me on my journey, see what stocks I'm buying, see what options I'm buying, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post 2 new videos every week, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash the like button. I really appreciate it. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you have an amazing day, and peace!